stability ball, prone, I's, and T's. Bring the ball close to you. Make sure you're against the wall, straighten your legs. Bring them up the wall just a little bit. Your knees are slightly bent. Put your hands right on the floor. Take a breath in. As you do, exhale, come up, bring your arms to a W. And back down. Come up, bring your arms to a T. Look forward, press your pelvis forward. Exhale, come up, bring them to a Y. Press your pelvis forward. You should feel this in your butt as well. Let's do it again. Exhale, W. Squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower. Exhale, Y. Take a breath in. Exhale, T. Chest forward, eyes forward. And lower. Shoulder, I's, T's, and W's using a stability ball against a wall.